To change the battery on your Infinite Prime alarm, remove the front panel by pressing the 2 clips at the bottom of the panel and lifting the front forward. At this point, the alarm will go off. To silence the alarm, enter your 4-digit code. With the panel now open, locate the battery and remove the 2 terminals, red and black, making sure these don't touch and removing and replacing the battery. Please note there is a live 240 volt power in the transformer, so please be careful and make sure you don't touch this. Also, please make sure you don't knock any of the other wires in the panel, as these may cause your alarm to stop working. Now replace the panel lid, making sure it's firmly installed, and reset. The SmartSecurity team provide both telephone and on-site engineer support. Simply contact our team explaining your needs and we'll get your system fixed.